welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making two affordable and easy DIY decor items, one from an old bouquet I caught in a wedding and another from a cheap vase that I bought at Target. So first we're going to start off with the floral canvas art. What you'll need is some preserved flowers, a canvas, I used 6x6, a hot glue gun, and scissors. I started off by snipping the flowers and leaves that I wanted for my canvas and placing them on my canvas so I could get an idea of how I wanted to glue them down. Once you lay out your flowers and leaves to your liking, go ahead and take a picture so you can reference it when you are gluing them down. I started with the larger and central floral pieces because it was easier for me. If you prefer to work from the outside in, feel free to do that, but this made it easier for me to slide in the smaller leaves in the corners of the large roses. And that's it, a cute and simple way to add some texture to your room without having a whole obnoxious bouquet at your desk. Next, we're going to get started on the vase. I took some painter's tape, but I would recommend using something a little bit stronger so that the paint does not seep through when you dip it in the water. Tape around the perimeter of the glass as high as you'd like, and make sure there are no air bubbles. I didn't do that. Next, you'll take a bucket filled with water and your preferred spray paint colors. I used black and white for that marble effect. Alternate spraying your preferred colors until you have your desired amount, and use something like a toothpick or a pencil like I did and make a marble effect to your liking. Find a spot where you like the design and gently dip your container into it without submerging the cup completely. I ended up dipping it twice because it was a little too white and I needed a little bit more black marbling. If yours turned out anything like mine and a little bit of water seeped in, it's alright. Just take a cotton ball with some acetone and wipe it up as clean as possible. Or, like me, you could just lift up the tape a little and take whatever color paint you'd like to make a clean line around it. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful and instructional. Let me know in the comments below if you would try any of these out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. As usual, my links will be in the description bar below and at the end of this video. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to watch my quarantine room makeover. Part 2 will be out later this week. Thanks so much.